After 5 minutes of heavy rain, this is how it is. It's just raining a bit and thunderstorms. Look at our cherry blossoms. Some of the flowers disappeared, flown away. Thank God it's just like that. It's not that really bad. Some lights are down after the severe storm earlier. So this traffic light is off. These are the buses in Toronto, TTC. There is one tree that fell on the house ahead, so I hope I could get a shot. Look at this right there. This is 5 minutes drive to my house. There is some trees that fell here. Look at that one there. And another big one here. Another one there. It's a bumpy road. Okay, so this light here is down. So here in Toronto, whoever stops first will proceed. So that go first and then I'll be next. Okay, so this is a 3 minutes drive to my house. And there's a school there. I'm just holding my cell phone, that's why it's shaky. Sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, so there's one tree fell on the left side and one on the right side. Yeah, look at that. There. Okay. Now we're homey.